Hi, everybody. My name is Tamara Lindmeyer, and I will be your child's AP Government teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. Just a little bit about me to begin. I teach both AP Government and U.S. History here at Arrowhead, and I'm currently starting my 8th year of teaching. I've been lucky enough to spend my entire career here at Arrowhead High School. I'm a UW-Madison grad with a master's degree in educational technology from Marian University. And in addition to teaching here, I'm a student senate advisor as well as a JSA advisor. Just a quick little overview of what AP Gov is. It is a full year class. We meet for 40 minutes every day. It's a college level course that can earn students college credit at the end of the year by taking the AP exam in May. In this class, we study all types of things related to American government and also the political landscape. This is an exciting year to be taking the class as well, obviously it being a presidential election year. Important calendar date to note, the AP exam this year is going to be Monday, May 3rd, 2021. It'll be right away in the morning. The goal this year is to have a fully in-person exam again, back to the original format, which will consist of two pieces, a pencil and paper multiple choice exam consisting of 55 questions. Students are given 80 minutes to complete that, and then the second section is 100 minutes where students will answer 4 free response questions. We will have lots of practice with both of those pieces this year. AP scores are awarded on a 5-point scale. Most colleges will earn or grant credit, for a score of a 3 or higher. In this class, we have 5 major units of study, starting with Foundations of American Democracy, which we've already begun this school year. We do interactions among branches of government, civil rights and civil liberties, look at American political ideologies and beliefs, and also political participation. This class is graded with a normal grading scale, an A being 100 to a 90%, a B 89 to 80%, and so on and so forth. The grade is comprised 70% of summative grades, which will be chapter quizzes, unit tests, and graded FRQs. 30% of the grade formative, meaning those assignments that are meant to check in progress on learning those big ideas and learning objectives for the course. So homework, in-class work, writing that we do as practice, and smaller projects. Semester exams will be 15% of the final grade. Most importantly, just to touch a little bit on how we're set up for hybrid learning, accommodating learners both face-to-face and at home, especially as the possibility of having to go virtual for some students at different points of the year, depending on quarantining or other changing situations. The big things that students will need to be successful in this class are Canvas and Zoom. We rely on both of those heavily. Canvas is our learning platform where all the work is housed, and Zoom is how we have live instruction, even when learning from home. Every day, I do post a daily agenda and homework. We have a course agenda and homework PowerPoint that's available for students. I stream it on the screen when they walk in every day, and it's available in a few different places on the Canvas page. In addition to that, any work and materials that kids will need will be linked under our Canvas module of the unit we're currently working on, and I have that those things and those materials uploaded by 7:15 each morning. When we are learning virtually or a student is learning virtually, we will have live learning days where I ask students to log into Zoom and be present and with us in class. Being considered here or present means that they are logged in on time and in our Zoom session. There will also be days that students are able to learn at their own pace. That will be communicated ahead of time, and to be counted as present, it means that they have logged in and completed that work by the due date. Just some things to consider when we learn live. I do ask that students be on time to class. They find a productive working environment in the home. They are prepared. Camera is on. They are sitting up straight. They are showing that they are engaged in class, and they're still participating as much as possible, even if they are learning from home. If you have additional questions on course procedures and policies, please check back to that course syllabus that's linked in Canvas. And also reach out anytime with questions or concerns. You can contact me at any time over email, a phone call, and I hope to see some of you guys at our Zoom virtual open house later this week. Thank you.